In the tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific lurks a powerful predator, the Giant Trevally, or GT. Known for its muscular body and incredible hunting skills, this fish is so strong it's considered the bulldog of the sea. What makes it truly fascinating is its bold hunting style. Giant trevallies have been filmed leaping from the water to catch birds in midair. They can weigh over 170 pounds and are highly respected by both fishermen and divers. With their intelligence and raw power, giant trevallies are the ocean's ultimate ambush hunters.